going on, guys? Today, doing a kill switch in the Civic. Pretty easy to do. It's going to be a short video. I have another one on tips and tricks with the Jeep, but for now, Civic. Let's get this done. So, it's on a 99 Honda Civic. A kill switch does not get much easier than this. We're going to do a fuel pump kill switch for this bad boy off the ignition circuit. So, you can follow the wiring coming down from the key cylinder. You can follow it down there underneath, and we're looking for 3 wires. To get this bottom panel off, you don't need to take it off, but it gives you a lot more room to play with. You have 3 screws, one right above the switches, another bottom left corner, and one on the right corner. The top just pops off. Then you have these 2 connections. You can have up to 3, I guess. Up to 3 connections here. One is a fog light switch that I put in, and the other is just factory mirrors. So that all comes off this. Don't know what the hell that is. Don't know what that is. We're not using it. So once we get that off, we can climb underneath and show you guys what we're looking for. Okay, so we're under the dash now. This is super uncomfortable. We're going to be looking for one of these. Where are we? One of these bundles of wire coming down. We're looking for 3 colors. Looking for these 3 colors. The white and black, yellow, and the black with the yellow stripe. So we can go ahead and unplug this. I believe we're looking for the black with the yellow stripe. And that's where we're going to run our switch in line with. So we'll unplug that, pull it out. Fuck, that's annoying. So, we unplug that harness here. Look at the key, give her a turn. It'll crank but will not start. And that means we're on the right spot. Cut this loom up. I have to double check which wire it is. We can tap in, put our switch, and that's it. Nice and easy. So, let me cut this a bit and then get right back with you guys. Alright, so sitting here nice and cozy. This is the plug, just wrapped it up. It is the black with the yellow stripe wire, so I just cut that. Solder, make sure you solder. You don't want to do crimp connecting, it's bad. So solder it, wrap it up, tuck it up, plug it back in, we're good to go. And you just have to run your kill switch. I was in the middle of doing this last night, and then as you can tell, all my wiring wrapped up. I had to go pick up some parts, so I just took a back seat again. So we'll finish it up, but more or less that's how you do a kill switch. Get creative when you're hiding your switch. Don't do it under the dash. I have a video on tips and tricks with the Jeep, but it's a Civic. Quick video. That's a kill switch. It's effective. Good to go.